Hi, this is Travis with Halo Home. I'm excited to show you QuickLink Low Voltage, Halo's fastest way to install downlighting. QuickLink is a canless lighting system with a single remote power supply that can power up to 11 fixtures on its low voltage cable. Fixtures take only seconds to attach this self-healing cable with their QuickLink twist connectors. They're also canless and mount directly to the ceiling. No housing required. These innovative features allow you to save up to 85% on installation time. Choose between the half-inch thin micro edge or the slightly more regressed RL direct mounts in either 4-inch or 6-inch sizes. To get started, select a QuickLink kit and any accessory fixtures you need. Each kit includes the remote power supply, 35 feet of low voltage cable, and 4 smart canless downlights. Then use the Halo Home app to wirelessly group and control your new smart lighting. QuickLink is Halo's fastest downlighting solution available. With its single remote power supply, low voltage cable, QuickLink connectors, and canless downlights, you're sure to save time and money on your next project. To learn more about QuickLink, the Halo Home system, and other products that are available, go to bringhalohome.com.